In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove an Authenticator app in PayPal. If you want to manage your PayPal two-step verification settings, this process is pretty simple and only takes a moment. Whether you're trying to remove an old Authenticator app because you changed devices, or you want to add a new one for extra security, PayPal gives you a place to handle that directly in your account settings. To begin, log into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where PayPal keeps the main settings for your profile, account preferences, and security options. Once you're in Settings, go to the Security tab. This section is where you can manage things related to keeping your account protected, including password options, login settings, and verification methods. Since the Authenticator app is part of your login security, this is the area you'll need. Inside the Security tab, find the option called Two-Step Verification and click on it. This will open the part of PayPal where you can view and manage the extra verification methods linked to your account. If you already have an Authenticator app connected, this is where you can disable it or remove it. That can be useful if you no longer have access to the device that was using the app, or if you simply want to switch to a different setup. If your goal is to add a new Authenticator app, you can also do that from the same section. PayPal will guide you through the setup process there. Usually this involves connecting your Authenticator app to your account so it can generate secure login codes. Make sure you follow the prompts carefully and confirm the setup before leaving the page so everything is saved correctly. If you're removing one Authenticator app and adding another, it's a good idea to complete the new setup right away. That helps make sure your account stays protected without interruption. Also, double-check that the Authenticator app is working before you sign out, just in case you need to use a code the next time you log in. Once you've disabled, removed, or added the Authenticator app and finished the setup, you're all done. That's all.